tragedy in our blood. It's just basic.
Rip, ini parah nih sepinya Rip. Lihat nih nggak ada mobil, sana nggak ada mobil. Morning. I'll come back later. Jawa.
Hah?
Mau dibahas ntar ya?
Kita mau bahas Jawa. Langsung kayak gede-gede gini kan?
Yoi.
Ntar kita
nongkrong sini ya. Kita meeting dulu, ada panggilan dari ARB.
That you're low. Once you hit the bottom, places know where to go.
Where do you want to go?
Why you display this thing? What do you want to explain from this MT64?
Oh, okay. So yeah, so MT64, big thick 64mm bore on the side of it. Does all your shim packs. There's your Teflon rubber on the side there and that. So yeah, it allows the bore to go up all nice and easy. This one here, and that being the bigger bore, you don't get fade or anything like that. So fade is like after a while, after your shocks are going up and down, the oil heats up, and then what happens is it just fades out and it doesn't work as well. Having that bigger bore and that bigger area on the inside, and that allows that fluid to stay a lot cooler. Also with the aluminium on the outside, dissipates heat much faster. So with these ones here, you got steel. And that's why when you go into a more performance one, so your MT64 or your BPs, and that you actually got your aluminium casing, that helps dissipate that heat, keeps it a lot cooler, keeps that shock working a lot better.
Okay, so this is front, this is...
Yep, so this is a strut, and this is a shock. So generally strut on the front, shock on the back, so that slides down. So these are all your different rings. So if you're running like bar and winch, what you can actually do is you can set this to the preload and then make it sure that, you know, the height will maintain all the way through, and you only have to keep one spring. So a lot of other companies, you've got to keep changing springs to make it work with different weights. With this one here, you just keep moving that to different positions as it goes up and down. So that's your spring, goes that way and that, or you can go even the other way as well too. So that sits on that one. But yeah, just your spring seat where that sits on top. That, all your eyes, this is all forged aluminium down the bottom here. And that, so you know, it's one piece that's actually carved back out. You can see with all these other ones, we've got welds in different positions. And that this, all one piece. So it's actually, it's really cool. Yeah. And that, so and then same when you start to get up into these ones as well too. You know, just instead of a forge, this is all like aluminium.
Yeah. The idea is just it's supposed to be not breaking easy.
Yeah, well and truly. So it's sort of even similar with like with this section that you're moving up and down here. Same as with your BPs, you've got your preload in here as well too. So you just spin that up or you spin that down just to get your preload.
We installed this on our car, the red color, the red.
Yeah, the red color.
It's just feels really good.
Yeah,
really good.
If you've got weight on the car, like if you've got a little bit of weight on the car, like you've got drawers in the back or a canopy, or you got, you know, anything like that, MT64, that's your number one shock when it comes to that. Cruising around town, you just want to make things feel a little bit better, go into your Nitro Plus. And then if you want the best of the best, your BP51.
Best of the best.
Best of the best. Hey, no one will beat it. Like, you know, being able to change your rebound, your compression, it's you know, when you get into a BP51 car compared to all the other ones, it's just, yeah, the ride is smooth, bumps disappear. It's a beautiful feel, yeah. nacho arrangement across the front there. You know when your nacho's there, that's what you get. So you get your smoke, you get your ARV, and then you get your amber as well too. All in the box, ready to roll.
Just got it. It's installed.
Yeah, I saw Marvin's video the other day. So that was cool. Hey, your base rank video was good.
Di sini mati, di sini lebih keren. Ini kok ya.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Oke, gimana?
Lebih kuat.
Iya, lebih kuat kan. Maju mundurnya udah pasti.
Yeah, so Mike's got all the brand new gear on this car. There's even some stuff on here that hasn't even been released yet or anything like that. The portals, they're one of the big standouts. They're starting to get released from Mark's four-wheel drive.
Portals?
Yeah, so come around and have a look at the front. That'd be the best way to have a look. So you can see your drive comes in there and then drops down and then goes back out like that. So it's actually, instead of lifting the car, you're actually lifting the drive. So this is your drive coming through, comes to there, there's a bunch of cogs in there, drops it down, shoots it out that way. And that, so you're not actually having to, put CVs on it. You end up with about 6-inch all up. Yeah, so I think it's like, 150 mil. Yeah.
Matiin dapetnya.
Got a sight in my rifle. My mama's new boyfriend rebinds Bibles. Ricky down the road, he resows red wings.
Hari pertama nih, live special. Kita balik lagi ke Melbourne jadi kita mesti balik ke Australia lagi. Walaupun kemarin udah di nah ini Survive for
Then I just might lose what's left of my never loving mind. I'm damn near down to my last down. I'm pretty good at breaking down a heart, but picking up the pieces is the hard part. She's searching for someone who's gonna build it back, but I ain't got a guy for that. 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 No VIP up at MIT.
Kirain apa? Halo, balik lagi di channelnya Pantai Mas. Hari ini tahun 2024 bulan Agustus 3. Jadi kita ada di sini pergi trailer. Jadi kita nggak mau stop di private campering buat overland. Kita mungkin mau lebih detail lagi kita yang seperti gini, kayak kalian bisa lihat di belakang nih. Kalau yang depan motor terus ini ada harapannya, ada listriknya, ada dapurnya, kulkas, kelistrikan, jadi bisa masuk main, bersih badan selama ini kotor-kotor, ya kan? Kayaknya udah gitu panas, main jatuh sana sini, main masuk sampai sini, bisa duduk, bisa minum yang dingin, bisa mandi. Tanpa harus tempat yang lebih gede. Ya memang mahal, tapi kan hobinya juga mahal. Nah, ada Patriot Camper dengan perjuangan Patriot Camper, dengan berikan Patriot Camper nih. Kenapa juga ada yang benar, bangunnya yang bagus, yang benar,
Safety
paling utama, nggak nyusahin, nggak bikin pemakaian itu jadi makin menderita, makin enak dan segala macam. Nah, itu kita sudah coba bikin dari sekarang. Oke, udah deh, yuk cepet kita let's go. Mumpung ada show-nya juga, mumpung kita bisa banyak dapat informasi sana sini. Darknya udah pasti, udah bener. Tinggal gimana bikin tracking segala. Doain, jadi kita punya isi lanjut terus ke depan. Saya rasa kita masih di Indonesia masih jauh lah, kita masih butuh barang-barang yang memang seperti ini supaya kita bisa setara sama mereka. Belajar banyak itu dia, pasti kita belajar banyak, tapi untuk customernya, untuk taste-nya segala macam sih udah sangat jauh berubah. Mereka sekarang suka dengan barang yang bagus sih.
Indonesia udah siap lah.
Nah, Indonesia udah siap, customernya udah siap, apalagi kalau kita buat di Indonesia macam begini.
65, you know where I'm going. Guess I really went and messed it up again. Now my baby's goner than the Tulsa wind. Judging by the stone sober state I'm in, need to cry.
Nadir double cabin tuh.
I'm about to get on a buzz, I'm about to get on a roll. Yeah, I've been breaking my back, just keeping up with the Joneses. Y'all know what I mean, and y'all know how it goes. When it's up on a Friday night, pay sliding over my way. I can't even think when I can hear one calling my name. Hey, somebody pour me a drink. Pour me a drink. Urban brown eyes trying to get me drunk. Ain't stopping till the bottle and the job is done. Hey, I think I might have found my future love. Buddy, you should probably buy her one. Somebody pour me a drink. Somebody pour me a smoke. I'm about to get on a
Kursinya Darce semua. Bed conference.
up with the Joneses. Y'all know what I mean. Yeah, y'all know how it goes. When it's up on a Friday, 9-page slide one over my way. I can't even think when I can.
Jadi kenapa nih hari kedua?
Hari kedua. Kebanyakan gimana itu?
Jadi kayak orang perang begini pulang. Buset.
Ya gara-gara itu pameran harganya murah-murah.
Wah, buset. Bunuh.
Bajin kemana? Kita status buat ya.
Belanjaan lu mana lagi?
Nggak ada, udah habis.
Lihat tuh.
Ini udah, nggak mau belanja lagi udah.
Gimana baunya?
Hah? Udah nggak cukup.
Telur langsung aja telur.
Gue belum beli akal Tobi lagi. Gue mau beli akal Tobi gimana?
Bener